Baby, won't you come by? Baby, all I gotta do is put my mind to this. Baby, cancel out my baby, put a line. Yo, can you shut up in there? I'm trying to get this freaking Mortal Kombat X episode ready for tomorrow. Oh, sorry, man. Freaking moron. No. Oh, and you forgot to plug in the iron again. How does he? Oh man, guess I'm pretty hungry. I guess it's time to turn up on some Swedish fish. Hey, buddy. Yeah, man, what's going on? Have you seen the Swedish fish? No, I haven't had Swedish fish since yesterday. That's weird. They're not on the fridge. I thought maybe you would know. No, I don't. Alright, well, carry on, Mr. Series.
Sucker doesn't even know I had the Swedish fish here all along.
Oh yeah, time to enjoy some good. Hey, one more thing, What the freak are you eating?
You think it's a Swedish fish, man, right now? No, shut up. You took it upon yourself to take the Swedish fish from the fridge and bring them into your own little private domain where they aren't even yours. Yeah, okay, that's true, but to be fair, I did buy the dang things. Yes, you did buy them under the pretense that they were going to everyone, not just yourself, you saboteur. You know, bring the fish on down with the jar, just get out of here. I'm not leaving here without the fish, man. Dude, I'm trying to edit, okay? I gotta get this freaking video out before 9 p.m. like I
always do. You thought it was a game? Whoa, you need to calm that down, man. Hand over the fish, man. Hand them over. Are you really about to kill me over some Swedish fish? Shut up! Shut your freaking mouth and put the fish on the table. Dude, it is just Swedish fish. I told you not to mess with my fish, man. Listen, I will give you the fish. Just please put the gun on the table. Alright, I'm putting the fish on the table. There you go. Alright. These fish sure are good, man. Matter of fact, we need to go to the store and get some more of them. You just messed up. But you said... Now, the fish belong to me.
Swedish fish. What? Would you? Swedish fish. Some?
Cause my name is Coryxkanshin. You know what I'm saying?